When using memory techniques, you're creating a lot of images that represent a lot of information that you're trying to learn. But at times, you might forget some images here and there, and you have no idea why, and you can't for the life of you recall that image. Well, in this video, I'm going to list some common reasons why you might forget images and how to fix them. So the first reason you might forget an image is that it's so simple that it's boring. So it's so easy to forget. So maybe you're trying to memorize shoe and stump, and all you picture is a shoe on a stump. That's so normal, right? So boring. Of course you're going to forget it. And so what you need to do is you need to make your images crazy and weird so they really stand out. So maybe you picture this airplane with a cat riding on it, dropping tomatoes on a mustache while a shoe takes a bath. Okay, boom, crazy and weird. Oh yeah, and it's happening at the Taj Mahal. And so it's absolutely crazy and weird, right? So it really stands out in your memory. But now we're going to the second reason. The second reason why you might forget something is because you picture it too quickly. So you're like, okay, I got my image in my head, boom. But you didn't really take the time to really see it in the location, make it come alive. Maybe you smelled the tomatoes. Maybe the mustache was screaming. Right, you're forgetting these major components. So that's the second reason why you might forget an image, and that is that you're going too quickly. That like, okay, I see the cat, plane, tomatoes, mustache, tub, shoe. Okay, boom, and you didn't really connect it all together or have it dynamically in the location. And so that's the second reason, that you're going too quickly when you're memorizing or when you're picturing your images. Now the last reason, the third reason, is that you forget the location. You just completely forget the location. So you have this story, right? You're like, oh yeah, I see the cat dropping on a plane, dropping tomatoes on a mustache. The shoe is just relaxing in a tub. Oh, wait, where did I put it again? And depending on what you're memorizing, forgetting the location could be crucial. If you have the order to a specific type of information and you completely lose it, then you might skip over it. And so you really need to picture the location at which the story is happening at, because that's going to really make it stick. Because otherwise, if you're just picturing the story, if you're just picturing the story, it's just kind of out there, right, in the void. And so, of course, you're naturally going to forget this because you're not really attaching it to a location, right? Not using an anchor. And so it's so easy to forget something like this, even though it's crazy and weird. Without the location, it just kind of floats out there, then eventually just disappears. And so that's why you want to have all three of these things when you're actually picturing your images that you're using for information. So you want to make sure that it's not so simple that you forget it. You want to make sure that you're actually taking time to picture the images, the stories in the locations. And then thirdly, you want to make sure that the location is actually there, that you don't just have this amazing crazy story, this fun story that's actually in the place. So hopefully this video helps you with solving your problems when you're forgetting images, because this is something I experience time to time, and I'm like, okay, well, slow down. Why am I forgetting images? Oh yeah, I'm going too quickly, it's too boring, I don't even see the location. So hopefully you found this video useful, and I'll see you next time.